Apologize, it is October 11th and I'm just now getting to the September update. I don't know where these 11 days have gone, but anyway, let's just jump in. So we are still seeing a continuation of the normalization of the market here in Columbus. Average sales compared to even last month, we're a little bit down, a lot down from last year. What we're seeing is, again, I think the rate environment, a lot of people that were on the sidelines or passively looking have jumped out, or they're just really going to stay on the sidelines and watch what happens with rates. In addition, I think people that were looking to sell, a lot of them refinance. So they're at 3-4% interest rates, and it's a difficult proposition to get rid of that rate, buy a new home at 6%, 7%. So I can understand why we are seeing some people sit on the sidelines. Of course, the deals I've had come together over the last couple of weeks have been people that have to move, either are combining families, expanding families, moving in from out of town, or been renting. So we still have people buying. It's just people that I think that were not necessarily have to buy are kind of sitting out, which is fine. What we're seeing though is homes are getting better priced, more realistically. And I have a lot of buyers that we were looking 6 months ago, a year ago, where the prospects of paying 10% over ask was pretty realistic. So now that we're seeing that 10% over ask go away, and even I've had some deals where I'm getting 95% of ask, so that layer is gone. But the costs are being made up by the additional rate. So the perspective I look at it through is we're going to pay less for that home. And yes, the rate's going to jack up that payment initially, but you can always refinance. Rates will come down. I'm not going to predict when, but we can guess that rates will come back down to more reasonable 4-5% levels. So why not get the home at a good price today, refinance it later on down the road. So anyway, not much else in terms of data. Sold listings are down a bit from last year. I'd say about 30%. Days on market, we're up to 18 now, which is shocking when you say it's 15 from August of this year. So that's a 20% jump. But again, it's just 3 days. Normal homes on market back in the day were on for 30, 45 days. So we're still far from that. But again, we've been, I think, conditioned to 3% interest rates and homes selling in a day. So we're getting back to some normalization, which I think a lot of people are looking forward to. So anyway, always reach out with any questions, comments, or feedback. You know how to get a hold of me. Take care.